अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल योर डिसाइड। सो इम्पोर्टेंट जनरल साइंस के एमसीक्यू आज हम करने वाले हैं। आई नो काफी डेज के बाद वीडियो अपलोड हुई है, ऑलमोस्ट 3 मंथ्स के बाद, पर इंशाल्लाह अब रेगुलर वीडियोस होंगी। डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स पे हम लोग कोशिश करेंगे, लेकिन अभी क्योंकि सिंध यूनी के भी टेस्ट है, उसमें भी जनरल साइंस और जीके का आता है पोर्शन, और बाकी एग्जाम्स के लिए भी ये सारे एमसीक्यूज अच्छे हैं, मतलब कि काम आएंगे जरूर आपके। तो इस वजह से हम लोग इसी वीडियो में जो है इम्पोर्टेंट जो भी जीके के 100 एमसीक्यूज हैं ये वो डिस्कस कर लेते हैं, ताकि सब लोग जो भी हम लोगों के चैनल पे हैं लोग मौजूद, उनके लिए एटलीस्ट एक वीडियो हो जाए। उसके बाद इंशाल्लाह 2 वीडियोस जो पेंडिंग है वो है यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ सिंध के 2 एग्जाम्स के पास पेपर एग्जाम पेपर्स है मेरे पास, तो उनकी वीडियो अपलोड होगी। उसके बाद फिर फर्दर एमसीक्यूज जो भी होंगे वो प्रीवियस पास पेपर्स हैं या फिर जो भी होता है वो करेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। The unit of energy produced by food in the human body is called dash. Right answer is C calorie. Proteins are made up of dash. Right answer is T amino acid. Amount of water in mammalians blood is dash. Right answer is C 90%. यानी कि mammals का जो blood होता है उसमें amount of water कितना होता है 90% होता है। और यही आपको देखें कि ह्यूमन जो है ब्लड में कितना % वाटर होता है, तो वो भी देख लीजिएगा हमसे, फिर वो भी आते हैं। Which of the following vitamin helps in clotting of blood? Right answer is D vitamin K. Which of the following vitamin are fat soluble? Right answer is B vitamins vitamin A, D, E or K. Which of the following is not a source of vitamin C? Right answer is D milk. जो मिल्क आई थिंक विटामिन डी का होता है। Ozone is present in which of the following layers of atmosphere? Right answer is B troposphere or stratosphere. The study of relationship between organism and the environment is called dash. Right answer is A ecology. Most of the ozone in the atmosphere is concentrated in dash. Right answer is C stratosphere. The most abundant element in the Earth's crust is dash. Right answer is B oxygen. Which of the following vitamins is water soluble? Right answer is D vitamin B and C. In railway tracks, a small gap is left between the rails. Right answer is A to allow for the expansion during heat. क्योंकि गर्मी की वजह से जो है जब गर्मी बढ़ती है तो जो ट्रैक होती है, क्योंकि वो लोहे की होती है, तो वो एक्सपेंड हो जाती है। इस वजह से अगर वो स्पेस नहीं छोड़ेंगे तो वो फिल नहीं होगा और वो टेढ़ी हो जाएंगी, इस वजह से एक्सटेंड हो सकती है। इस वजह से वो स्पेस छोड़ते हैं, सर्दियों में वो सिकुड़ जाता है और जो है गर्मी में वो एक्सपेंड हो जाता है। Friction can be reduced by changing over from dash. Right answer is A sliding to rolling. A solid ball of metal has a spherical cavity inside it. If the ball is heated, the volume of cavity will dash. Right answer is B decrease. As we climb up the mountain, the atmospheric pressure will dash. Right answer is B A decrease. Which of the following vitamin is produced in the body with the help of sunlight? Right answer is A vitamin D. Vitamin D prevents dash. Right answer is B bone disease. Heart attack is caused due to dash. Right answer is B cholesterol. Which of the following diseases has posed a serious threat the world overall? Serious threat world overall होगा, ठीक है, इस तरीके से ओवरऑल वर्ल्ड या फिर ओवरऑल वर्ल्ड कर सकते हैं आप इसको। राइट आंसर इज सी एड्स। Which of the following disease is not waterborne disease? Right answer is B influenza. Typhoid and cholera are typical example of dash. Right answer is C waterborne diseases. Who invented the hydrogen bomb? Right answer is C Samuel Cohen. Logarithm tables were invented by dash. Right answer is A John Napier. Who invented optical fiber? Right answer is B Narendra Kapni. Brass is an alloy of dash. Right answer is B copper and zinc. A transformer is used to dash. Right answer is B increase or decrease AC voltage. Which of the following gases is used for purification of water? Right answer is C chlorine. Pure gold is dash. Right answer इज सी 24 कैरेट। एंड आई थिंक जो हम लोग वो सोना बनवाते हैं वो 22 कैरेट होता है, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग। 21 नहीं होगा, 22 होता है आई गेस। अगर मैं गलत हूँ तो प्लीज बताइएगा कमेंट में, मैं शायद बोल गई हूँ। Which of the following is a gas? Right answer is D. Chlorine. Which of the following mixture of gases is required in gas welding? Right answer is C. Acetylene and oxygen. 1 horsepower is equal to dash. Right answer is B. 746 watts. Heat from the sun is received by the earth through dash. Right answer is C. Radiation. As the temperature of ice rises, the ice melts and its density dash. Right answer is C. Increases. A branch of science dealing with the study of fossils is called dash. Right answer is B. Paleontology. The theory of inheritance of occurred characters was propounded by dash. Right answer is B. Gregor Mendel. Gregor Mendel. Which of the following was discovered by Ronald Ross? Right answer is B. Malaria parasite. Radioactivity was discovered by dash. Right answer is A. Henry Becquerel. The science of heavenly bodies is called dash. Right answer is B. Astronomy. Heavenly bodies, I hope ये सही MCQ है. Okay, I think heavenly bodies is called astronomy. Humanly bodies भी हो सकता है, मैं कंफर्म कर लेती हूँ. हाँ सही है, यही होगा. Okay. Which of the following has no blood but respires? Right answer is D. Hydra. मैंने सोचा इसकी पिक्चर भी ऐड कर लेते हैं साथ में. Hard to kill water monsters under the microscope. ये जो पानी में जो मिलते हैं ना, जो छोटे छोटे से वो जीव वगैरह, ये वो वाले होते हैं. ठीक है, सिंगल सेलुलर होते हैं ये. रेस्पिरेशन इज accomplished by diffusion of molecules of oxygen and carbon dioxide through skin. Whereas earthworm, cockroach and octopus has blood. इवन फिश में भी होता है थोड़ा बहुत. ब्लड तो नहीं होता लेकिन हल्का फुल्का तो आई थिंक होता है, जो ब्लैक हो जाते हैं. है, ये बाकी चीजें जो है इनमें होता है ब्लड, इसमें नहीं होता. Which of the following is basic characteristic of a living organism? Right answer is B. Ability to reproduce. In which organ of human body are the lymphocyte cells formed? Right answer is D. Spleen. What is stored in gallbladder? Right answer is B. Bile. The study of structures and formation of rocks and minerals on other plants is called dash. Right answer is C. Astrogeology. Which vitamin can't, ये double N होगा यहाँ पे, में can't store in human body? Right answer is B. Vitamin C. Deficiency of vitamin C causes dash. Right answer is C. Scurvy. Which vitamin is known as ascorbic acid? Right answer is D. Vitamin C. अच्छा, सारे विटामिन के नाम आप लोग याद रख लें, इसको क्या कहते हैं, किसको क्या कहते हैं, कभी होगा वे भी हमसे आ जाते हैं. Deficiency of vitamin C causes dash. Right answer is A. Tooth diseases. All forms of energy that we use are ultimately transformed into dash. Right answer is B. Heat energy. Water acts in metabolism process in the presence of dash. Right answer is D. Enzymes. The proteins are made in the cells under the instruction of dash. Right answer is A. Genes. Which is an essential constituent of diet? Right answer is A. Starch. Deficiency of iron in human diet causes dash. Right answer is C. Anemia. Which of the following acid secreted internally helps in digestion? Digestion. Right answer is C. Hydrochloric. After drinking contaminated water, you would be most apt to develop symptoms of dash. Right answer is B. Typhoid fever. Recording of brain waves from outer surface of head is called dash. Right answer is D. EEG. Which of the following is an example of hereditary disease? Right answer is B. Hemophilia. Hair, fingernails, hooves, etc. are all made of dash. Right answer is C. Proteins. What type of infection is tuberculosis? Right answer is B. Bacterial. AIDS virus destroy the taste system of human body. Right answer is B. Immune. AIDS virus destroys the immune system. Okay. Which set of color combinations is added in color vision in TV? Right answer is A. Red, green, blue. तो ये यहाँ पे आई थिंक उसमें थोड़ा सा चेंज होगा, मैंने किया था इसमें चेंजिंग थोड़ी सी विच सेट्स ऑफ कलर, तो वो हो गया। ठीक है, रेड, ग्रीन एंड ब्लू। ओके, ये कलर कॉम्बिनेशन होता है। Water can't be used to extinguish fire caused by an electric current because dash. Right answer is A. It may cause another short circuit. Cloudy nights are warmer because dash. Right answer is A. Clouds prevent radiation of heat from ground to air. Food is cooked quickly in a pressure cooker because right answer is B. Boiling point of water is increased. The AIDS virus is called dash. Right answer is C. HIV. Contract is a disease which is due to right answer is the opposite of cornea. Like, हाँ यही इस पहले मैं कंफर्म कर दी क्योंकि ये मैंने पहले सुना है तो इस वजह से। Cataract is a disease which is due to dash. Right answer is C. Opacity of cornea. In which form of glucose is stored in the liver? Which form of glucose is stored in the liver? Sorry. Right answer is D. Glycogen. ये बहुत important MCQ है, बहुत बार आ चुका है। Mercury thermometer was invented by dash. Right answer is A. Galileo. John Walker invented dash. Right answer is A. Safety match. Gunpowder was invented by dash. Right answer is A. Roger Bacon. Who among the following does not have a chemical element named after him? Right answer is C. Isaac Newton. In which country alcohol is used as fuel for vehicles? Right answer is B. Brazil. The device used for measurement of current, voltage, resistance is called dash. Right answer is A. Aviometer. Silicon is a dash. Right answer is A. Semiconductor. What is penicillin? Penicillin. Right answer is C. Antibiotic. Liver produces dash. Right answer is B. Bile. हाँ, इसका राइट आंसर बाइल है, मैंने कंफर्म कर लिया। The lack of dash causes diabetes. Right answer is B. Insulin. Triple antigen vaccine is given to children to protect them against dash. Right answer is B. whooping cough. अच्छा, आप लोगों को लग रहा होगा कि मैं बार-बार एमसीक्यू चेक कर रही हूँ कि मैंने नहीं बनाया हुआ है, नहीं, मैंने जो है किसी को बोला हुआ है, मैंने एक पर्सन खास रखी हुई है कि उनको मैंने बोला हुआ है कि आप जो है एमसीक्यू मुझे सेट करके दे दें और फिर जो है मैं बस वीडियो बनाऊंगी ताकि जो है जल्दी-जल्दी वीडियो बन सके क्योंकि नहीं बनने काफ़ी टाइम से। इस वजह से जो है मुझे वैसे मैंने चेक किया है लेकिन फिर भी मुझे अभी जो है दोबारा चेक करने पड़ रहे हैं अगर मुझे लग रहा है कि दोबारा कंफर्म करना है। The storage batteries commonly contain dash. Right answer is C. Lead. Water is a universal solvent for which reactions? Right answer is D. Biochemical. The volume percentage of nitrogen in air is dash. Right answer is D. 78%. यहाँ पे repeat हो गया है 81 होगा। Air contains volume of carbon dioxide approximately dash. Right answer is D. 0.03%. The gases which are used by divers as an artificial atmosphere are helium and dash. Right answer is B. Oxygen. यानी कि जो वो गोता खाने वाले जो यूज करते हैं वो कौन सा यूज करते हैं? डाइवर्स उसी को कहते हैं। Which of the following is involved in blood clotting? Right answer is C. Calcium. Which of the following vitamins is essential for bone and teeth formation? Right answer is D. Vitamin D. The richest source of vitamin D is dash. Right answer is A. Cod liver oil. Which of the following vitamins is synthesized in body by intestinal bacteria? Right answer is D. Vitamin K. The vitamin capable of formation of blood is dash. Right answer is B. Vitamin B. Entomology is the science which deals with dash. Right answer is C. Insects. Which of the following is a mammal? Right answer is C. Platypus. Respiratory center is situated in dash. Yeah, is it's situated in dash. Right answer is medulla oblongata. Okay, yes. And the normal temperature of human body is dash. Right answer is C 98.6 F. यानी कि Fahrenheit. The total number of bones in human skull is dash. Right answer is C 22. In brain, the site of intelligence, memory, and emotion is present in dash. Right answer is A. Cerebellum. The longest and strongest bone in the human body is dash. Right answer is C. Femur. ये I think leg में होती है. हाँ. By taking pulse rate of human body, a doctor determines dash. Right answer is D. Heartbeat. Hepatitis B is a disease of dash. Right answer is C. Liver. Who discovered circulation of blood in the human body? Right answer is C. William Harvey. Who was surgeon who pioneered antiseptic surgery? Right answer is B. Joseph Lister. The credit of inventing the television goes to dash. Right answer is B. Baird. Alfred Nobel is associated with the invention of dash. Right answer is B. Dynamite. And that's it for this video. फिर इंशाल्लाह जो है वो वीडियो भी इन द कमिंग डेज में जरूर अपलोड करूंगी. मैं कोशिश करूंगी कि डेली एटलीस्ट 1 से 2 वीडियो अपलोड करूं. तो होपफुली आपको प्रॉपर्ली और बड़ी वीडियोस मिलेंगी. इस दफा छोटी छोटी वीडियोस नहीं मिलेंगी, ताकि जो है प्रॉपर्ली सारा जो है वो काम आपका आसानी से हो जाए, एक ही वीडियो में देख लें. सो सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टेक केयर. हाफिज.